Making each one special in its own way. Some budgies might lay eggs more frequently than others. This can depend on various factors including their environment and overall health. This is perfectly normal and nothing to be concerned about. Just ensure they have a comfortable and safe space to lay their eggs. You might be wondering, how many eggs will my budgie lay? A budgie will typically lay between 4 and 8 eggs per clutch. A clutch refers to a group of eggs laid within a short period. The number of eggs can vary. It depends on factors like the budgie's age, health, and diet. A younger budgie might lay fewer eggs than a mature budgie. It's important to note that not all eggs will hatch. Sometimes an egg might not be viable. That means a baby budgie won't grow inside. Once your budgie lays her eggs, the incubation period begins. This is a critical time for both the budgie and the eggs. The female budgie will spend most of her time sitting on the eggs, ensuring they are kept at the right temperature. This is when the female budgie diligently sits on her eggs to keep them warm. She rarely leaves the nest, only occasionally stepping out to eat or drink. The incubation period for budgie eggs lasts about 18 days. During this time you might notice the female budgie turning the eggs periodically. This helps ensure even warmth and development. During these 18 days it's crucial to provide your budgie with a calm and comfortable environment. A peaceful setting helps reduce stress for the mother bird, which is essential for the healthy development of the eggs. Avoid making loud noises or sudden movements near her nesting area. Such disturbances can cause the budgie to become anxious, which might affect her ability to incubate the eggs properly. Remember, your budgie is working hard to keep her eggs warm and safe. Her dedication during this period is vital for the successful hatching of the chicks. Your patience and understanding during this time will be greatly appreciated by your feathered friend. Providing her with a stable and supportive environment will help ensure the best outcome for her and her future chicks. Several factors can influence a budgie's egg-laying frequency, and understanding these can help in providing the best care for your feathered friends. One of the most significant factors is the breeding condition. This is when budgies are most fertile and ready to reproduce. When budgies are in breeding condition, their hormones are surging, making them more likely to lay eggs. Another factor is age, which can greatly affect their reproductive behavior. Younger budgies might lay eggs less frequently as they are still maturing. They need time to develop fully before they can lay eggs regularly. On the other hand, older budgies may also lay eggs less often as their reproductive cycles slow down. This is a natural part of aging. Diet plays a crucial role in egg laying. Without proper nutrition, budgies may struggle to produce eggs. A balanced diet rich in calcium and other essential nutrients is vital for healthy egg production. Providing cuttlebone and leafy greens can help ensure they get the nutrients they need. Could disrupt her egg-laying cycle.